The universe is strange. Light bends, time slows down, particles act like waves. But here is the thing: you are part of this universe. Understanding it helps you understand where you come from. Scientists use metaphors to explain complex ideas. They talk about the fabric of space-time. They describe fields and waves. Even math is a kind of metaphor. It describes relationships that words cannot capture. Here on Earth, physics works well. If you know a baseball's speed and angle, you can predict where it lands. But at the cosmic level, things get harder. You cannot be outside the universe to measure it. Light has a speed limit. Nothing travels faster. And unlike a paper airplane thrown from a moving car, you cannot add speed to light. It stays constant no matter how fast you move. This constant speed of light leads to time dilation. If you travel close to light speed, time moves slower for you. GPS satellites already adjust for this. It is not theory, it is practical. Space and time are linked. They form a single fabric called space-time. When you look at stars, you are looking into the past. Some light took billions of years to reach you. Gravity is not a force pulling things down. It is mass curving space-time. The sun's mass warps the fabric around it. Earth keeps falling toward the sun but misses, so it orbits. At the quantum level, things get even weirder. In the Stern-Gerlach experiment, silver atoms split into two distinct paths. This revealed a property called spin, but spin does not behave like normal rotation. If you measure spin along one axis, you get a result. Measure again along a different axis, and the first result disappears. The act of measuring changes what you find. Observation affects outcomes. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle says you cannot know both position and momentum at the same time. Pin down one, and the other becomes uncertain. This is not a limitation of tools, it is how the universe works. At the quantum level, particles behave like matter and like waves. It depends on how you look. Energy and matter blur together. The boundary between something and nothing is not as clear as it seems. The universe is both material and energetic. You are made of both. You are falling through space while feeling grounded. The truth is stranger than fiction, and that is what makes it wondrous. Please like, share, and subscribe and spread the word.